Alright, so the narrow handstand, or the hand-on-hand handstand, where one hand is on top of each other, is a very cool skill in itself to master, but it can also be a helpful skill to learn if you're on your way towards the one-armed handstand, if that is a goal of yours. Because as we start to move the hands together, we're starting to introduce also a lateral balance component, which is not present in the same way when we're standing with shoulder width hands. Alright? Now it's also a very cool skill because it's relatively easy to approach and to scale, but it is a good idea if you already have a solid straight and straddle handstand, and also if you already have a very good jump into a straddle handstand, because that's how we're going to enter the position. Alright, so what you're going to do is just, instead of doing a normal shoulder width handstand, the first progression would just be to place your hands a little bit narrower and then see if you're able to do a straddle jump into this position. And once you can hold a few sets of 10 to 20 seconds here, you can start to move even closer. Maybe start with having just the tips of your thumb touching each other. See if you can get it to here. Now next step, you can try to cross your thumbs. So you're going to go even narrower, or you can, and these two steps are not necessarily, it's not like one is necessarily harder than the other, but you can either do the crossed thumbs or you can do wrists completely close together. So now my hands are going to point a bit outwards. And jump up into my straddle handstand from here. Now next step would be cross my thumbs, and then from here, if I want to work towards the hand directly on top of the other hand, what I would do is first start with thumb here, and then the next step would be to put one finger, the next finger into this place, and then move the fingers further on top of each other, kind of weaving them in until you're all the way on top of each other. You can try to balance here. You can probably already see that when I'm jumping into it, there's already a little bit of lateral balance going on. Alright, give it a shot, and good luck.